everyone, it's Tracy. Welcome back. So here is March mini kit Monday, my kit for the month of March. First I want to say somehow I got a head cold and I sneeze spontaneously. Sometimes I don't even get a warning. So if that happens, I'll do my best to pause the video and sneeze because it can get kind of loud. It totally freaks me out because I'm not used to sneezing so loud. Alright, so I decided that I would go with some really bright primary colors for the month of March. And you know who does that best is Elle Studio. So I have a little packet of Elle Studio papers, and I think that's what most of these are. I absolutely love this rainbow striped paper. And so this is my inspiration. I'm so sorry. This is my inspiration, and everything I tried to gear it off of this. So this is the first paper that I'm looking at. I'm so sorry. So here's this beautiful dark blue. It matches completely. I want to say this is Family Fun. I love that kit. That was from, I think it was from, no, it must have been from last year, maybe a year and a half ago. And I used it, I used a lot of it, so I don't have a lot left. And then here is this yellow with a white cross. Let's see, yeah, this is Family Fun. Even though this is a nice neutral paper, I may want to use this yellow, but you know there's no yellow in here. So we'll just see. Because it is a nice primary color, I wanted to pull that out as well. And then of course this beautiful chevron rainbow paper. This is from Elle Studio, and I can use either side. And this is one of their older papers, and I don't even remember the name of this collection. I've had this one for a while. It's probably one of the first collections I got when I started back scrapbooking. Oh, it was their summer one. And I don't remember what it was called, but you know, I wanted a little bit of red. And then I pulled some solid cardstock because I think I need to start using some of these up. Now these were given to me from a friend, and so I'm going to, you know, probably do it, maybe not this paper in particular, but you know, to help frame my pages. So I got two of this light blue. And let's see, one of the red and then one of the navy. So those are my full sheets of paper. I'll do 3 or 4 layouts with this kit. That's I'm anticipating. I am going to a retreat, not going to be taking this with me. So let's just see what all I can create. Now I did pull these strips here. Let's see if I can use any of these up. Of course, you probably saw that rainbow striped one. There is this one, because I did have 2 sheets and that's what's left over. I was trying to get, you know what I did is I put all of my little scraps together and for Elle Studio, and I just paper clipped them together. And so that's what this is about. That's why I have all these out. I don't know how many of these I'm going to use. There's that 6x6 in that same color, my inspiration piece. These are 2-sided. That is pretty cool. Yep. Anyway, I don't want to go into great detail of everything that I'm putting in the kit because I'm not quite sure what all I'm going to use. Now, I did want to show you, I did pull some embellishments, and I think I'm a little light on the embellishments this month. And that is partly because I'm trying to get ready for the retreat. I'm leaving almost a week before the retreat is, so I can't wait till the last minute to pack for that. I'm sorry, I'm kind of taking my time here. I wanted to show you what I pulled. Ha! Look, I got 2 washies. Yeah, and there's not a lot left on either one. And I thought about saving this one for a Disney album. Yeah, you know, I don't know if I'll ever do a Disney. I've been to Disney several times, and I've only done one album when we went in 2002. So when I went about a year and a half ago, I still have all my photos, but I've not done any pages, I don't think, from that. But so anyway, I'm going to put it with this kit. I pulled out these hearts. I thought maybe I could use this. This tag is perfect because it has all those beautiful colors. Now here is what I had left over as far as the embellishments for the family fun. It really does have, I still have quite a bit in here. These are puffy stickers. Those are nice. Yep, a lot of these labels. Lots. I never have to worry about running out of these labels. That is for sure. Okay, now, let me kind of, I went through some of my other stuff. I pulled this tag out. Wanted to have some neutrals in there. This is actually came from in here. And I wanted to kind of go with a heart theme because I have a lot of hearts. You know, like these cork hearts. I want to say these are from crepe paper, but I don't remember. There is this pink with a heart. Oops, here's a love. And here's the U that goes with it. These are wooden elements. And got to have some black. There's another tag. Was kind of going through, you know, my little containers. I just didn't want to pull a bunch of stuff out because then I would have to put it all back in. So I'm just kind of pulling minimal stuff. Let's see how much of this I can use. Here's some more hearts. And then here's these little white daisies. Let me see if you can kind of see any shimmer. I know that the stones are shimmery, but some of the flowers themselves have glitter on them. Not a big glitter girl. We'll see how that goes. Okay, another heart. I kind of got quite a bit of this pink color in. And look what I found in my stash. I think these were given to me at the last retreat I went to. They're little crochet, like mini heart, not heart, flower. God, they're so pretty. They're so pretty. Can't imagine. Here's another daisy. Now, look at this work of art. I did that. Yeah, I painted that when I was working on some watercolor painting on how to paint flowers, and I decided just to keep that. Okay, now I'm going to show you some of the die cuts that I pulled out. Actually, these are like cut files. And sometimes my brother's Scan and Cut doesn't cut so well. I have figured it out recently how to get better cuts from my machine, and I don't know. If anyone has a brother's Scan and Cut and has difficulty with it cutting, just message me and I'll see if I can help. I'm not an expert, but I certainly did learn a thing or two, and I just hate to talk about it. Yeah, look at that. That's terrible. So I'll probably either try to trim that out the best that I can or just kind of tuck it in. We'll see how that goes. So that is all that I pulled for my embellishments. Now I did pull something else that is kind of new for me anyway. I'm going to go ahead and try to use these Becky Booten. They're tube colors or paints, watercolor paints. I have tubes that I have used before, and I put them in a palette and I let it dry and I use it. But these are such unique colors. I'm only going to use just a little drop if I can handle it. Now, I've been told that the colors aren't true to the color band that is on each tube, and I have to say that is true, because one of these colors I thought was purple. I think it's this one. I thought it was purple, but it was actually blue. So I'll have to swatch those out before I start playing with them again. I've only used them once so far. And then I'm going to use these little shimmers products. This is this one is, I think it's a Royal Ultramarine. It's a pretty color. Very, very shiny, very shimmery. And here is the green. I think it's called Jade. Let me see. Jilted Jade. This is old packaging. This is their newer packaging. And then Pip Pip Cheerio, Cheerio, yeah. And look how pretty. Now, I don't have a lot of this color in my kit, but I have an idea for a page that I want to do, so that's why I pulled this out. And that is it. This is all that I have for my March kit. Let's see what I create with it. If anybody is interested in being a part of the Mini Kit Monday, if you'll just message me or one of the other ladies that is participating in the group. It is not exclusive. We like to include other people, and we have several people that join, you know, as time goes on. So if you're interested in that, we just make one page a week, and we post them on Monday. That's why it's called Mini Kit Monday. That makes sense. And anyway, the other ladies, their channels, I'm going to list them in my description box. I hope you guys have a great March and a super day. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.